As we discussed in the previous lessons, a flex container is an area of a document, or in other words, it's an HTML element that is laid out using the Flexbox. To create a Flexbox container, the only thing that we need to do is to set the display property of that element to flex. And when we do this, the direct children, which are these three items in this example, will become flex items. By default, the items will be aligned on the main axis, which is again by default the row. So if I have display flex set to this container, the items will be shown like this. So let's go and see this in real code. Okay, here let's suppose we have a container, and then inside this we have like 4 different items. Let's call all of them item. Then go here for container. Let's have some basic styles, some padding. Let me make it a bit bigger so it's more visible. Smaller screens. Let's also give it some background color. Go with pink. Again for the item. Let's have some border here. And some padding as well. This is container, like so. Now, as you can see, these items are block elements because they are divs, so they will take the whole space. Now, if I go and say the display is flex for this container, you can see that by default they will be aligned across the main axis, which is again by default the row. Now I can also change the direction to be the column, and then they will be aligned along the column axis. We will talk about flex direction later in the series.